Nice! Oh yeah! This one also looks a bit ugly, but still. Hey, you wanna have this ball, Sarah? Oh yeah. Although I can't really have it. Hey, look! Hey, look, one. We can trade. Oh, no, that's my whole bottle. Ow! Well, what's happening? Drip, 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 drip. Oh no, it's literally so wet now. Oh no, all the water is gonna come into my food, and I'm gonna have wet food. Oh no, that's so unlucky. Okay, that's the unluckiest day I ever had. Hold on, what's happening to my rocket? Oh no, it's causing a water flood. Hey, I'm Original 9. Nothing bad can happen to me, right? Oh no, wait a minute, what's happened to my edge? Oh no, I'm gonna split into 6 and 3. I have no problems. It's just my little numberling. Oh no, I didn't mean the numberling. No, I said nothing. Ah! Yes, you did say something. Oh no, I just saw a creepy face. Ah! Oh no, everything is ruined. Oh no, my electricity on the guitar. I don't even know if guitars have electricity. Oh no, it's that blonding. Wait. Okay, all the number blocks just disappeared.